welcome back to my vlog. Today I have another unboxing vlog for you today. So, right here are two boxes that I received in the mail yesterday. I did order these off of Amazon, as you can see barely. Alrighty, so let's get right to it then. Hey yo, look what I received in the mail. The first box that we opened. It is a Hercules Saxophone Stand. Yes, I do play the saxophone, so yeah, it's Alto Sax. I am very excited for this. It is gonna be quite a hell of an improvement when it comes to performances and all that. Now let's get right to this, to the second box. There we go, it is cutting. And I have a music stand. Yes, it is a music stand, as you can see. And it is a Martisan brand music stand. Yes, I can't wait. This will be my personal music stand, so it is very exciting to finally have my own as a musician. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see y'all in the next vlog. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Bye!